Today, I'll clearly show you how to validate email addresses using JavaScript. Email validation is essential for web forms, ensuring users enter properly formatted email addresses before submission. Let's look at a simple example. Here we have an input box where the user types an email and a button to trigger validation. We're using JavaScript with a regular expression to verify the email format. Watch as I enter a valid email address, example at test.com. Clicking Validate Email confirms it's valid. Now let's test an invalid address like test@test.com or at test.com. As you can see, each clearly shows an error message because they don't match the required email pattern. The regular expression we used checks for the basic structure, text before and after the @ symbol, and a domain following it. This simple validation ensures you receive correctly formatted emails, improving your application's reliability. Thanks for watching. If this quick tip helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more clear and practical programming tutorials.